Do you wake up every morning with stiffness, sore muscles, or body ache, even after a full night's sleep? Millions of people suffer from chronic body pain that lingers no matter how much rest they get. But what if I told you there's a simple ancient remedy, just one healing cup before bed, that can erase body ache overnight and help you wake up refreshed, light, and pain-free? Chronic musculoskeletal pain is one of the most common complaints today. Long hours of sitting, poor posture, stress, thyroid issues, aging, and inflammation all contribute to this daily discomfort. Painkillers may give short-term relief, but they often come with side effects. For centuries, Indian households have relied on a natural pain-relieving tonic, turmeric milk, also known as golden milk. This warm, golden drink has stood the test of time not just as a traditional cure, but as modern science now shows, a powerful anti-inflammatory and healing remedy. Let's see why turmeric works. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been proven to reduce inflammation, the root cause of body ache, joint pain, and muscle stiffness. It acts like a natural pain reliever, calming sore muscles and reducing oxidative stress that damages tissues. Milk's soothing role. Warm milk contains tryptophan, which helps your brain release serotonin and melatonin, hormones that relax you and promote deep, restorative sleep. Milk also provides calcium and protein, essential for muscle repair. Together, turmeric and warm milk become a nighttime therapy. While you sleep, your body uses this golden blend to reduce inflammation, relax tense muscles, and repair tissues. So you wake up feeling lighter, fresher, and free from pain. How to prepare this healing cup? Take 1 cup of warm milk, cow's milk or almond milk if you're vegan. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add a pinch of black pepper. This is important because it boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Stir well and sip slowly, about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. If you often wake up with body stiffness, combine this drink with 5 to 10 minutes of light stretching in the evening. Stay well hydrated during the day. Dehydration worsens muscle soreness. If cow's milk feels heavy for you, use a lighter plant-based milk. The effect of turmeric remains powerful. Most people tolerate it well, but if you have gallstones, kidney issues, or high oxalates, consult your doctor before daily use. Instead of relying on painkillers or waking up with body ache every morning, try this drink and see the stiffness, soreness, and fatigue have melted away. Try it for 7 nights in a row and feel the transformation for yourself. At last, if you find this video helpful, please press the thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more health tips like this.